Did you know that adding just a few plants to your home can completely transform your space, boosting your mood, freshening the air, and even making your home feel more luxurious? Whether you're a plant lover or just looking to refresh your decor, I've got some stunning, creative plant decoration ideas that are easy to pull off and perfect for any room. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your home into a green oasis. Trust me, you're about to see plant styling in a whole new way. Ready to get inspired? Let's jump right in.